What's up, guys? So today finished up my DIY grill delete. I don't know how well you can see it, but I actually did the entire grill delete without even taking the bumper off. So a lot of people said that couldn't be done, but it's not actually that bad. You just have to take a Dremel and basically pick a line and go in that kind of fashion there all the way across on all the sides. And I still got a few shavings and stuff on the bumper, a lot of bugs, but I mean, as you can see, there's really only one bad spot. I don't know if you can see it right there. It just kind of slipped and it scraped, but I mean, it's gone. I decided to leave the lower one in still and the sides because I felt like if a rock was going to bounce up and go through, it would probably go through there. So guys, that pretty much completes the look of my car. Grill delete, black badges. I mean, it's got the S550 wheels and the GT350 track pack spoiler on the back. So as far as cosmetic, all that's probably gonna go, I'm gonna do a black roof, gonna get it wrapped black. I'm gonna paint my brake calipers in grabber blue. My friends at O'Reilly's are gonna mix it in that high temp paint, and then I'm gonna have to find like a 3M dot to go kind of in there with blue. And probably I might put those Roush winglets on here. So let me know what you all think of the look of the car. I think it looks pretty good, especially now with the grill delete. And you know, there are kind of risks with running the grill delete, like, you know, stuff can obviously go in there now, but I mean, the condenser is what it would run into first, so that wouldn't be that big of a deal. So we'll just have to see. So to finish it up, I put this kind of sanding bit. This one's pretty coarse on the end of the Dremel. You know, it rotates and just kind of go across like that. Sand it down as good as I can. Then I'm going to take some sandpaper to it eventually and just get it real good and smooth. So again, guys, just another quick little video about how to do a DIY grill delete. I know a lot of people don't like taking the bumpers off, and I didn't want to take mine off personally because a lot of people break the clips and it takes forever to get those in. So you're literally, I mean, you can't drive your car unless you don't drive without a bumper on. So yeah, it was just really quick. I mean, I took my time. You know, like I said, just went around that entire edge with the Dremel. Just took my time. Probably took me about an hour in total time I got done filing it, at least the first time. You've seen I filed it a little bit more and tried to make it a little bit smoother. But again, like, there's really only one bad spot and there's a little bit of a scratch there. So I'm pretty pleased. I'm probably just going to take some like trim restore stuff to that and just kind of give it its like really deep black color back. But other than that, guys, just again another quick little video here on Down South Racing. Hope y'all enjoyed. Give us a like down below, subscribe if you're new, and subscribe definitely because we're doing a $300 giveaway as soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers. So we're about 250, 260 away. So I mean, it's free. Just press a button and you could win $300. So this is Zach. Peace out. That might give you a little bit better view there, just while we're kind of all in the shade. But you can definitely tell that the grill is gone. I think it looks really good.